Welcome to TechXplorer, where we explore the latest innovations in mobile technology. Today, we are talking about Apple's upcoming marvel, the iPhone 17 Air. This ultra-thin device is packed with next-gen features, from a 6.6-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display to the powerful Apple A19 chip. It's sleek, powerful, and everything you'd expect from Apple. Let's dive into what this device has to offer. The iPhone 17 Air promises an exceptional viewing experience with its 6.6-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, 1290x2796 resolution, crisp visuals and vibrant colors for everything from photos to videos. 120Hz promotion refresh rate, ultra-smooth scrolling and responsiveness, whether you're gaming or multitasking. True Tone and HDR10 support, experience lifelike colors and dynamic contrast. Ceramic shield protection, keeps the screen safe from accidental scratches and drops. This display sets the standard for premium visual quality, making it perfect for media consumption and creative work. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Air lies the Apple A19 chip, built for unparalleled performance. Hexa-core CPU handles demanding tasks like 4K video editing and high-end gaming effortlessly. Enhanced Neural Engine delivers faster AI processing for features like Face ID and Siri. Power efficiency, designed to optimize battery life without compromising on speed. The A19 chip ensures the iPhone 17 Air remains a powerhouse, perfect for power users and casual users alike. Dual 48MP rear setup. Apple continues to lead in mobile photography with the iPhone 17 Air's dual 48MP rear cameras, 48MP wide sensor, capture sharp and detailed images in any lighting condition. 48MP ultrawide sensor, perfect for landscapes and group photos. Sensor Shift OIS keeps your photos and videos steady, even on the move. Smart HDR6 balances highlights and shadows for more realistic images. Night mode improvements, stunning low-light shots with minimal noise. 4K cinematic video mode, shoot professional quality videos with ease. The 12MP TrueDepth camera supports 4K recording, Face ID enhancements, and new AI-powered beauty modes for perfect selfies. The iPhone 17 Air is equipped with a 4190 mAh battery, which might sound modest but performs impressively due to Apple's optimizations, all-day battery life, stay connected, create, and enjoy without constant charging. MagSafe support, seamless wireless charging with improved magnet alignment. Fast wired charging, charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes with a 25W adapter, sold separately. Apple's energy-efficient design ensures the iPhone 17 Air outlasts most competitors. The iPhone 17 Air redefines slimness with an ultra-thin profile measuring between 5.5mm to 6.25mm, making it one of the slimmest iPhones ever. Premium build, aerospace-grade aluminum and ceramic glass for durability and elegance. Color options, expected in graphite, silver, gold, and a bold new midnight blue. Lighter than ever, its lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry and use. Despite its thinness, Apple ensures the phone remains robust and water-resistant, with an IP68 rating. Running on iOS 19, the iPhone 17 Air offers a seamless and intuitive user experience, widgets on lock screen, access essential information at a glance. Dynamic Island 2.0, enhanced multitasking capabilities with live activities. Improved privacy features, app tracking transparency, mail privacy protection, and on-device Siri processing. Apple software ensures a fluid experience, making the most of the phone's hardware capabilities. The iPhone 17 Air is packed with advanced connectivity options, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support, ultra-fast downloads and low latency. Wi-Fi 7, next-gen wireless technology for faster speeds and greater reliability. Bluetooth 5.4, perfect for pairing with Apple accessories. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to start at $899, with pricing varying based on storage options, 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB. It's rumored to be announced in September 2025, aligning with Apple's usual launch cycle. The iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be a game-changer, combining an ultra-thin design with powerful performance, a vibrant display, and cutting-edge features. It's perfect for those who want a lightweight device without compromising on functionality. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 17 Air? Are you excited about its slim design and advanced features? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Techsplorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. See you next time.